Lilian Margaret, my princess, my little mermaid. Happy birthday, Lilian Margaret. Sana wish ni Mama at saka si Papa na matupad mo yung mga wishes mo and then dreams mo sa buhay. Andito lang kami ni Papa at Mama para suportahan ka sa lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Then, sa lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay, sana matupad mo lahat. Then, happy birthday and God bless to you.
Learning comes from trying, so don't be afraid to lose. Songs are made for singing. I'll sing this one for you. May you never.
Happy birthday, Lilian. Sana masaya ka ngayon, Apo, kahit wala si Mama. Kasi naintindihan mo na yon. Para sa'yo to, sana masaya ka ngayon. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang laging mabait, may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang, Apo.
Una sa lahat, happy birthday. Sa'yo, Apo, alam kong mabait kang bata. Masunurin. Very active in school. Kaya, diretso lang yun. Don't give up. Lagi mo yung itanim mo sa isip mo na mahal ka namin. Hindi ka namin papabayaan. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Lilian!
I love you.
Hearts are made for giving. I've given mine to you.
Happy birthday, Lian. Yung inaasam-asam mo ako na gusto mo makamit. Nandito na, naging ka na, made na ngayon. Sana pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo para makamit mo yung goal mo sa hinaharap at malin mo ang iyong mga magulang at may takot ka sa Diyos. Happy birthday, Apo.
Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa Lord sa mga balai ko. Maraming salamat pala. Kahit wala kami sa mga tabi ng mga apo natin, nagawa niyong lahat para sa mga apo natin. Maraming salamat pala.
Songs are made for singing. I'll sing this one for you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lian. Sabi ko nga, dati, kaaway lang kita. To the point na sabi mo, hindi mo na ako tinatawag na tita. Sabi mo, Daisy. Sabi mo, dahil kaaway mo ako. Pero ngayon, grabe. Sabi ko nga, sana pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging masunurin mo. Makinig ka lagi. Alam ko, malayo ang mararating mo. Nakikita ko sa inyo, sa'yo na magiging mabuti kang kapatid sa mga ate mo. Yun lang. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Lilian Margaret, happy 7th birthday, and I wish you all the best. All your wishes come true, and I am so excited to celebrate your birthday with you. And thank you for inviting your auntie. Though we don't spend a lot of time together, but I do love you so much. And I really want to make this time with you and to spend time with all our family members and have a great memories. Once again, happy birthday, Nanay. I love you so much.
May you always have a blanket for the cold. May the living light inside you be the compass as you go. May you always know you have my hand to hold. May the good Lord bless and keep you, fill you with His peace. His face will shine upon you, even as you sleep. Every day you're changing, sometimes I wish it wasn't true. Hearts are made for giving, I've given mine to you. May you never lose the wonder in your soul. May you always have a blanket for the cold. May the living light inside you be the compass as you go.
Happy birthday, anak kong maganda. May God grant you all the desires of your heart, and I can't wait to watch you grow and reach all your dreams. I'm so grateful to be your parent. Thank you, and I love you now and always. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lilian!
Happy birthday, Lilian!
Happy birthday, Lilian!
I am going places, makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a long